Good day, kids. How are you? I hope that you are feeling great. I am Sir Kim, and welcome to our English class. Last week, we talked about writing directions using signal words. This week, you'll be learning about distinguishing general and specific statements. At the end of this week, you will learn to distinguish between general and specific statements and to read grade level texts with appropriate speed, accuracy, and proper expression. Are you ready? Let's begin. General statements cover a broad group of ideas and it needs supporting statements in order to fully understand it. Commonly found in the topic sentence of a paragraph. It tells us what the passage is mostly about. Specific statements are supporting statements for the topic sentence. It provides definite information to support the topic sentence. Read this passage and answer the following questions orally. What is the passage all about? What are the habits that we can do to keep our body safe from various diseases? The first sentence in the paragraph is the general statement. The succeeding sentences, which enumerate the habits that one can do to keep our body safe from various diseases, are the specific statements. These specific statements provide further information about the first sentence in the paragraph. In a paragraph, you can distinguish between the general statement and the specific statement based on how the passage is written. Most often, the general statement or the topic sentence is written at the beginning of a paragraph. The succeeding sentences are the specific statements which tell more information about the general statement. Let us distinguish the general statement and specific statements in the passage that you read earlier using this graphic organizer. The general statement is, there are many habits that we can do in order to keep our body safe from various diseases. Specific statement number 1. Washing our hands regularly keeps the germs and bacteria from spoiling the food that we eat. Specific statement number 2. Eating colorful fruits and leafy greens boosts our immune system. Specific statement number 3. Exercising regularly strengthens our bones and muscles. Now, you may begin answering the learning tasks. Learning task number 1. Analyze each sentence below and identify the general statement and the specific statement. Write the letter of the correct answer on the space provided. Learning task number 2. Read the passage below and distinguish the general and the specific statements by completing the outline below. Learning task number 3. Categorize the following statements as to whether it is a general statement or a specific statement. Write it in its appropriate column. Learning task number 4. Read the passage and distinguish the general statement and its specific statements by completing the graphic organizer below. Learning task number 5. Read the paragraph and distinguish the general and specific statements by completing the outline below. For our final learning task, analyze each sentence below and distinguish if it is a general statement or a specific statement. Write GS if the sentence is a general statement and SS if the sentence is a specific statement. I hope that you learned how to distinguish general and specific statements. See you next week here in our English class.